Hello and welcome back to this lecture again, and today we are here to learn about the copy and paste in AutoCAD. To understand it, let's draw a circle of random diameter. Circle has its shape such that you see from all the direction it will look like same. So when we have to make this another circle of the same diameter which we have drawn here, what we'll simply do, we will select it and we will enter on our keyboard CO spacebar, and now the copy command is running. Now you have to select a reference point from here you want to copy it. Suppose I have pick it from the center, and now you see another copy of this circle is on my mouse pointer. So now you can paste it anywhere. You just have to go and click there. Okay, it has been pasted, and still it is on the pointer, so you can copy the number of circles by using this command. Okay, if you want to copy this circle on a specific direction, on a specific distance, so to do that, what you will just select it, type copy command CO spacebar, and copy command is running now. Now what you have to do, that you type D, enter, and now you see a line or a reference has been taken from the origin of XY plane, and now you see I am moving, my mouse pointer is moving as well. The second copy of this circle is also moving in the same way. So here we need and the X direction at 100 mm, let's assume it. Okay, we are going to on my ortho mode so that it can be perfect in horizontal or vertical direction. Now it is in perfect horizontal direction, and in command prompt you see it is asking for displacement. Since we need at the 100 mm, so we will just type 100, enter. Now we have another copy of the circle at 100 mm. Similarly, if you need this in the left direction, you just put your mouse on the left side of this reference circle and you just type 100. You see here, and one another copy of this circle has made. So this is the copy command basically we will use during our design. So mind it and practice. Learn it. Thank you.